Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing for you, so let's just start and unbox this together. This item is fragile, so I'm hoping that they did a good job packing it. So here I have a receipt and return instructions. Let's remove this box. Ta-da! And this is what I got. Let's take a closer look. It is a limited edition holiday set by DIPTYQUE, consisting of a candle and a carousel. I really like this packaging. It has stars and almost like zodiacs. It's really pretty. As you can see, it's sealed here, and for some reason the seal is broken on this side, but at least it's sealed right here. So let's open it up. So here's the candle, and right away I'm a bit surprised as I see some residue here, and this makes me nervous. I also see like a little scratch here on the candle itself, and I'm not sure what could have caused it other than maybe it was returned, like somebody purchased it and returned it and they didn't check the condition of it and just sent it to me. No idea. What do you guys think? What would you do if your candle arrived in this condition? Would you return it or would you keep it? It doesn't look like it's been lit up or anything. It's just honestly the scratch and like this residue here. Very interesting. I was not expecting to see that from a brand new item. Well, let's see the rest of it and make sure everything else is in good condition. So this is the stand for our carousel, and it looks to me like it's more of a rose gold color. Trying to remove this carefully as not to break anything. This is the carousel itself. This is my first time buying this, so I wasn't sure what to expect, and this is what it looks like in a packaging, disassembled. So you put it on just like this. And now let's check out the pendants. Here's the instructions. So I put it on correctly, and then you just attach the pendants to the carousel. So let's see what we got here. Okay, these look good. Each one is individually packaged, and we have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I was kind of hoping that they would be unique, like each one would look different and have a different design to it. But honestly, from the pictures that they provided on the website, I did have an idea that they're probably all the same design this year. Previous years I've seen them where each pendant was a different design, but this time around they just went for the same look. Actually, let me take that back, because now that I'm looking at them closer, I see slight differences. Like you see this piece right here looks different from this piece here, and then we go over here and you see how this looks different, and then kind of same here. So they do have some slight differences. but the main pattern is almost the same on each pendant. So yes, these are very slight differences. When you look closely, like this one, you see here the cutouts are not even cut out, and gradually you get like more. I hope this is not a defect. I really hope this is the intentional design. So yeah. Ooh, one just fell out. I guess it's not sealed. So let's take them all out and put them on the carousel. I'm gonna do this in order. Number 1, number 2, third one, number 4, and the last one. Alright. So here it is, and I'm gonna put it on top of the candle. It fits kind of loosely, so you can see I'm able to move it like this, so it doesn't like fit very tight on the candle. Let me now show you from a profile view. So here it is, and let me just spin it gently. So how this works is you light up the candle, and the hot air from the candle is what moves this carousel, and all these pendants go around. Basically, for as long as this candle is burning, the carousel keeps spinning, and it looks really pretty and really festive. I decided to give myself an early holiday gift. I figured it would look really nice, and maybe I could incorporate it in my future videos just as a pretty backdrop. I've been eyeing this for a few years now, and they usually come up with new designs for each holiday season. They're typically like limited edition style for that year, and they go on sale right around late October. So that's when I decided to purchase it, when I saw it on Bloomingdale's website this year. And let me confirm the price. So you can purchase this on DIPTYQUE website or through a department store like Bloomingdale's, which is where I purchased mine. It comes in 2 versions. There's one that's a set of 2 candles, and there's smaller candles. And this one is 1 candle, and it's a larger size. This one was 6.7 ounces, and the price for this one is $142. Now let's light it up and see it in action. This candle is called Baies or Berries, and the scent combines the tangy coolness of just picked blackcurrant berries with the lively flowery accents of rose. And I'm gonna read the product details from the website. Like stars around the sun, the carousel's golden charms revolve around the flame. This year, the charms are adorned with a myriad of DIPTYQUE's emblematic ovals, delicate patterns that make the light dance in a cosmic sparkle. In this limited edition gift box adorned with stars and dancing letters plucked from DIPTYQUE's map of stars, the carousel enchants in the classic Berries candle. been really eyeing this for a few years now, and finally I was able to get one. And I'm pretty happy about the design. Let me know what you think. Would you return this or would you keep it? I think I will be keeping it. Tell me what you think about this candle, about this carousel. Do you like it? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. This means a lot to me. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next videos. Bye bye!